Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. You guys, today we're going to be wrapping the roof on this Subaru WRX. I'm pretty excited. Just something a little bit different, nothing too crazy. We're going to be adding a couple more things. Also deleting the antenna, making it a fish fin, shark fin antenna, because it's going to look better rather than the other one that I had on. Julian's helping out. Pretty easy. Nothing too crazy. Looks like it's already almost on there. We literally stretched it out 4 corners, laid it down, and yeah, it's pretty quick actually. Coming out good. We're adding this on top instead of the regular ugly antenna that it had.
Great, just what I don't want to see.
Why?
So happy.
Woo! This is the old antenna. See how it looks ugly. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on top like so, and it should look pretty. Ooh, it is all done. You guys, it looks way better with this little fin antenna than the antenna that I had. The shit was sticking out like a sore thumb or whatever. That shit is way better. In my opinion, dude, that shit is way better, for sure. For sure. Alright, and I also got these rain guards to put these bad boys on right here. Oh yeah. Oof, it's coming out good. Now the best part about this whole install, oh my god. One more time. Oh my god. Alright, one more time. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah. Hell yeah. Ooh, came out smooth. Much needed for the Subi. It's so subtle, but it just looks so good. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take off this Meister sticker, and we're gonna upgrade it to something better. This is old anyways. This is like probably like a year old actually. And it held up pretty good, you guys. All because of Mr. San Diego decals. He's still a bitch, but this shit held up pretty good. Let's try this.
You missed it.
Give us a slow motion action shot. A ver, Emma. Les tengo una surprise.
Ah, chingado.
Es una surprise.
Es el niño que te comiste.
No. A ver. Eric. A ver, espérate, voltea para acá, pa. A ver, Eric. A ver, esténganse ahí. Eric, come out. No voltean. Come out.
¿Qué fue?
Ahora, volteanse.
Hijo de la chingada.